Well, hello and welcome. It is time once again to try to fix something. And today on the workbench we have another dead PS5. At least I think this is a totally dead one, no power. Because no one on the internet ever lies. I've got the cord connected. Let's give it some power and see if we can see the power supply starting up. No, we do not see that dip. So I'm going to say our power supply is dead. I mean, for the heck of it, I can do that and say, but no, she's dead. Let's get the covers off. I think we got a dead supply though. All right, side plate is off and she has been opened and she has been attacked, it would seem. That was not mentioned, but yeah. So, I wonder what we're going to find inside here. I'm going to go ahead and get a little further into it, and I'll bring you back. Alright, I have swapped out the power supply with a known good one. Here's our bad one. We'll check on that later. Let's see if we have any other signs of life. Now, I'm going to flip this on and see if we see it dip down. Yep, that power supply has started. Will this thing turn on? Because there won't be a fan because the fan connector is ripped off the board there. So let's see. Blue light. That's encouraging. To a white light. Probably going to do a storage check. Is it going to stay white? Okay. Then I think I will shut it down and we will see if we can repair this fan connector and repair that power supply. Finally. Alright, well, our ripped fan connector has been reattached, and we are ready to find out if it works or not. Let's see. Oh, we may need some power. And come on. There we go. Fan is spinning. Excellent. And we have a picture. Alright, let's get to repairing that power supply then, shall we? Well, our ripped fan connector has been all sorted out. So let's focus our attention on this power supply. We do need to get this going because I don't like to use my spare supplies. Not permanently anyway. So if we can get this ripped apart, gently of course. My weapons of pryage. I have misplaced my number 2 screwdriver. And this is the part where I mentioned, please do not open up your power supplies, as there are dangerous voltages present inside that can harm you. So unless you're very familiar with working around high voltage, don't do it. Take this antenna off. Oh, come on. Cooperate. There it goes, finally. All right. And now we start to pry. Finally, we are in. Ooh, we have a critter in there, don't we? Sure do. Right in there. So that's the source of our problem. Alright, so we have a slight infestation problem. Not uncommon, as roaches do love their PlayStations. I think I will go ahead and try to discharge some capacitors, though I don't think we're going to have any charge. I think that roach took all the charge, but I have plugged it in since then, so it's good practice. Where are those capacitors? Where are they? Oh, I think I see them. Move this out of the way. So it's not like it's a full-on infestation, but it's one good fat bug that crawled in there, and because the console was clean. So let's get right across this positive and negative right here. I know there's a good bit of glare there. Nothing. Nothing across the capacitors. Now that would make me think that possibly the main fuse got blown. Although I have not had this plugged in today. I had it plugged in yesterday. Get some continuity mode. Where is our main fuse? Is it right here? Main fuse is still good. That's a very tough main fuse. How about this fusible resistor right here? It's still good. Wow. So the fusible resistor survived, and the main fuse. If the main fuse survived, I would think these MOSFETs are still good, because they would have burned open that fuse very quickly. Well, no shorts. No shorts. No shorts on the output. Nope, no shorts on the output. Fuse is definitely good. So what did we do? Did we just blow our DAP 53. I'm just kind of looking at where this dead critter landed and what he might have caused. He's on some what looks to be rather larger value resistors that do end up feeding into this DAP 053. So let's just see, do a quick diode check with our red probe on ground. On where are those large capacitors again? Oh, way down here. You would think they'd be easy to spot, but somehow I keep missing them. Another burn spot there of where the leg of some roach had landed. So right there's positive. Here's negative. So let me swap hands here. Here's positive, and let's just start with pin 1. Let's just see. I think yeah, that's not pin 1. Where is pin 1? I may have the board reversed from the way I usually look at it. That's pin 1. I can barely make out the little one. There's pin 1. And it is shorted. 2, nothing. 3 is shorted. 4. 4 is ground though, should be. 5 is good. 6 is good. 7, I think is a no connect. 8, that looks normal. 9, that looks normal. 10, that looks normal. 11, yeah, it's fine. I think 12 would be a no connect. 13, 14, 15, and 16. Those look normal, but 1 and I think it was 3 are not normal. So I don't know if we've lost any of these Zeners that are down here. They don't seem to be shorted. So probably just a bad DAP 53. Some signal went where it, high voltage went where it shouldn't into that DAP 053, and that was the end of it. Okay, well, let's just swap that out and see if that brings this supply back to life. There's a chance it may have done other damage as well, but there's a chance that's all it got. Well, our DAP 053 has been replaced, and I have a meter across the terminals here. I have my dummy load across the terminals there, giving us a load of 8 amps. So, and that is on. I'll give it some AC voltage here, and we'll see what it does. 11.86 there, 11.953 right here across the terminals. So I think we're in good shape. So just a bad DAP 053, as you can see. And that was it. The roach killed it. So let me put this all back together. We'll assemble the whole PS5 and let it run and see how it does. Well, this PS5 has been fully reassembled. We repaired the ripped fan connector, repaired the dead power supply, reassembled it. She's looking good. I've got a game installed off the Blu-ray drive. It's working fine. So my best guess is that singular roach killed the power supply, and the owner tried to open it up, and they ripped the fan connector in the process and gave up about that point. So that's how it goes sometimes. But anyway, I hope you liked that one. Thought it was somewhat interesting, educational, entertaining. Any of the above. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in that very next repair. So long.